Craft beer gets described a lot of ways. The Brewers Association says it's got to be small, independent, and traditional. I kind of take a little bit different take on that. It's a lot more innovative, especially lately with lots of fruits and different yeasts and different hops. It's just a continuous exploration. When we first opened, it was 4 beers, that's it. I don't even know how many we have now, but it's, seltzers and spirits and whatever is coming next. Rodney and Hamish built this place for the whole community to come and experience. There's tons of great food. There's so much to do here. It's not just about drinking beer. You can have some whiskey tasting, lots of outdoor space. It's just a great place to hang out. We're SLO Brew and proud to be SLO CAL Crafted.